Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting an iPhone 11 update now. First, plug it in or confirm battery is at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download completes quickly and doesn't use cellular data. If the download won't start, free up about 5% 10% storage by deleting unused apps or large media files. This prevents partial downloads and saves you time. Once these prerequisites are set, open Settings and tap General to begin checking for the iOS update. You'll see the available update after tapping Software Update. Wait while the phone checks Apple's servers, then tap Download Now to start. The download may take minutes to an hour depending on size and Wi-Fi speed, so make sure your device stays on and connected. You can continue using other apps but avoid heavy network tasks. After download, tap Install. The iPhone will prepare the update and then restart to apply changes. Keep it plugged in and don't interrupt the restart to ensure a clean installation. Once the iPhone restarts, follow the setup screens to finalize settings. You may be asked to enter your passcode or Apple ID to finish. Verify the installed version under Settings General About so you know the update completed successfully. If the update fails or gets stuck, first reboot the phone and try again. If that doesn't work, connect to a Mac or PC and update via Finder or iTunes to bypass on-device issues. That troubleshooting path resolves most persistent update failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.